Good morning. Welcome to our trade of the week. This week it is gold, XAU, USD. It's the week of 15th of November 2021, and we're going to run through the timeframes and take a look at the technical reasoning behind the trade of the week this week. So let's take a look at the weekly chart. This is almost like a bullish flag formation. We've been in a corrective channel now since posting the highs on 3rd of August 2020, the all-time highs, and we've been in this correction lower, which has played out. We have found support on 3 occasions now, coming in around about the $1,677, which is positive. And the most recent dip down to there was early August, the week of the 9th of August, and that was like an overnight low volume, a high volatility spike lower, which cleared out a lot of stops. Since then, we've pulled back to 1722 and found support, and we had resistance coming in. We'll jump to the daily chart to highlight it a bit clearer at 1834, and this happened on 1, 2, 3, 4 occasions, and it really acted as good resistance. And then we saw the retracement back down to 1720, and last week we have punched through this resistance. So we've had a decent reaction through here. Within an hour, prices had rallied almost $35 to top out around about 1870, and since then we've found interim support coming in just above the $1,840 level, and we can obviously see from Friday's price action we pushed even higher to 1875. That's a level we haven't seen since the mid-June this year. We've had a small retracement from there over the weekend. We can have a look at the 4-hour chart and see how price action has engulfed the previous 4-hour candle from Friday, which was late on Friday. However, we have now seen support coming in around about 1857. So price action this week is expected to remain firm. No signs of really this move higher negating. So we will continue to look to buy dips in this week. Levels above, we're looking at, let's go back to the daily chart to really get a little bit of clarity on this. 1900 will be a psychological level, and that's one to watch. And above that, we've got resistance coming in from the 1st of June high, coming in at $1,915. A break above there should then look to challenge the 1960 to 1965 area. Below, if we manage to break below the support at 1834, that should open up a further corrective move lower. However, I do feel that with the markets as they are, a little bit of geopolitical tension building up, we should be able to rely on this support from a long trading perspective. I hope you've found that useful. Thanks for joining me.